Yeah, here we have a 7-inch by 10-inch miniature lathe. It's 1/3 horsepower, 115 volt, and it appears to be slightly used. Doesn't show a lot of signs of wear. It's cosmetically, it's in great condition. It does run. However, there may be a problem inside the gearbox. We're going to turn it on and show you in a minute here. I pulled some of it apart right here in here to see if there's any gears or any belts broken or something like that. Doesn't appear anything like that. It's some kind of gear in this gearbox and or in this area. We found there were some parts laying right here. Don't know what exactly they're for. They may settle inside the gearbox. We're not quite sure, but it's going to need a little bit of repair. Also, these are the metric change gears that are included with this. Has a miniature chuck on there, chuck key, live center for your tailstock, some tools, some reversible jaws here, some other tools. So we checked all the functions on here. Everything appears to work pretty good. You know, it's relatively smooth. You know, the X and Y axis on the cross slides here, they seem to work real well, you know, as well as the chuck and your spindle here. Anyway, we have it powered up. We're going to show you what's going on here. You'll be able to hear it run. There's a little gear or a little rod here that does move, but the chuck does not move. It doesn't want to engage in high or low speed. This is your high and low speed in the back here. So nothing wants to engage. Of course, none of the gears inside the gearbox turn either. So we think it's something, there's a main gear probably inside here. We're not quite sure. But in any case, here we go. Put it on the forward position here. Variable speed on it works very well. So it goes up to speed, as you can see. So the shaft turns inside there. The shaft is connected to a belt on the motor on the other side, but nothing is engaging inside the gearbox. And we think that gear is broken inside here, which causes the rest of it not to work. In any case, we'll turn this down, and that was the forward. Now we're going to go into reverse position here. Like I said, the motor works fine. The electronics work great on it, but the chuck won't turn. So there you have it. For parts or repair, a very nice little 7-inch by 10-inch miniature lathe, and we thank you for looking at our product.